Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be talking about transformer losses in detail. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our future educational content. A transformer is an electrical device used to transfer electrical power from one circuit to another. Although transformers are very efficient, they are never 100% efficient. During operation, some electrical energy is always lost. These losses are known as transformer losses. Transformer losses mainly occur in two areas: the core and the windings. Let us start with core losses. Core losses, also called iron losses, occur in the transformer core and are present even when the transformer is not supplying any load. There are two main types of core losses. The first is hysteresis loss. This happens because the magnetic core is repeatedly magnetized and demagnetized as alternating current flows. The second type is eddy current loss. Eddy currents are small circulating currents produced inside the core material. These currents generate heat and waste energy. Core losses mainly depend on voltage and frequency, not on the load. Next, we have copper losses. Copper losses occur in the transformer windings due to electrical resistance. When current flows through the windings, heat is produced. As the load increases, the current increases, and copper losses also increase. Copper loss is proportional to the square of the current, which means a small increase in current causes a large increase in loss. Other losses in transformers include stray losses and dielectric losses. Stray losses are caused by leakage, magnetic flux inducing currents in nearby metal parts. Dielectric losses occur in the insulating materials due to alternating electric field, although smaller than core and copper losses. These losses still contribute to heating and reduced efficiency. Modern transformers are designed to reduce losses. Using laminated cores reduces eddy currents. High-quality copper windings reduce resistance and heat generation. Proper insulation minimizes dielectric losses. In conclusion, transformer losses are inevitable. Understanding transformer losses helps engineers design safer and more efficient electrical power systems. But knowing how they occur and how to reduce them helps improve efficiency and safety. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.